We're gonna be playing Dress to Impress, and the thing is Koi Fish. I did this outfit. And how do you guys like it? Comment down below in the comments and tell me how do you like this outfit. I think it's amazing. Oh my gosh, we all three jumped in the same time, guys. Isn't that cool? There's this girl. That's not giving, like, she doesn't want the mermaid tail, but I'll give that 3 stars, I guess. 3 stars. Let's see the next person. Oh my. She's like blooded. I guess that's why I like it. I mean, I like the details on her mermaid. I guess that's not even from the codes, that's way different. Okay. She kind of copied me, so I'll give that 2 stars. She kind of copied me, so I'm not giving her lots of stars because she kind of copied me. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. I like this one. It's giving Koi Fish 5. I'll give that 4 stars, I guess. That's not giving it that much. Okay, here is mine. Let's do some of the crazy pose ballad. Oh my gosh, I can do. Oh my gosh, that was so awkward. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't like that much either. Doesn't have her hair and her dogs are showing. A face right now. And her dogs are showing. But she doesn't get. Yeah, I do hate it. Oh, I got second. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot this happens. Oh my gosh. When did this happen, guys? Like, okay. Well, I like my outfit, guys. Comment down below. How do you like it? Okay, I'm staying here in case. I mean, my copycat at least didn't come first place. But I mean, this copied too. Right away, that won third place. At least I won. And guys, look at my post packs. I have crazy post packs. Let me show you the ballot. Here. Holy. Jump. Snazzy. The upside. Lives. Oh, I never had a date. So I'm just dressing up something normal. And I have international post pack, and fairy post pack, and brat post pack. Oh, I gotta get this off. I'm just gonna go to brat post pack because I don't know where. I never had a date. I'm just gonna do someone that had a first date. I never had one. I never ever had one. So I'm just doing something normal, cute. I'm just doing something cute. I guess I never had one. Because I'm still 8 years old. So I'm just doing something cute. I think white would be cute. And also with the skirt. Let's go get a skirt. I never. Oh my gosh. Hopefully he doesn't have a duel with him. Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. He said happy birthday to herself. Yeah, everybody be kind to DTI people. Guys, I think this would look cute. This, oh my, not this. Well, I guess this thing's right over here will get cute. Let's color it this color. Oh my gosh, these socks will look so cute, and we're gonna color it black. Look how the black looks. And the ruffles might be also white. Oh, they're already white. How about we color them pink? Ooh, looks so cute if we get this bow and color it. This. Oh my gosh, looks so cute. Wait, I got. Oh, I like it low. Let's try this one. Okay, I like this one. I mean, they removed the logo from it. That's kind of sad, but whatever. We're gonna also we're gonna get some flower. Oh my! Sorry guys about that. I mean, I hate Lena. She's the one who's doing the troubles, and Lana is not. Guys, I'm gonna tell you a story about them, so that you know why Lena put Lana in jail, because she felt jealous that she is working here, so she put her to jail so she can work there. I mean, I am 8 years old, and it says if you're 13 years old, you can do the Lana quest. So I'm not doing the Lana quest until I go to 13 when I get age 14. I didn't. Stop lying. So, I mean, I'm gonna pretend I got an date. So, my hair is like this, and my hair is brown, dark. I sometimes think it's black, but it's actually brown. I never have a date, so I'm pretending I had one. Guys, let's go get these flowers. Guys, just to let you know, the flowers are from here. I mean, I actually never had one. I'm just pretending I had one in this so I can make everybody feel jealous. I mean, some people are bullying me in the regular server, but I never. And I keep telling them, can you trade me VIP? Wait, I didn't get this jump shoe. Overalls. I didn't get these overalls. Oh my gosh, what else did I get? I mean, to make me look cute. I'm gonna get some bangs. It's gonna look... That boy didn't dress up yet. Oh my gosh, everybody's gonna say, ew! You have muscles? Ew. That's not giving date vibe. Guys, I'm runway queen though. As you can see right over here, runway queen. Let's add some bangs really quick. I'm gonna add my... Bro. You know what? It doesn't matter. I don't need to add bangs. I mean, guys, there's a secret that they actually locked Lana and she actually got out from the jail. Yeah, by the way, I'm not doing my nails anymore because in the DTI because everybody said Lena is gonna do something to you. And I don't like doing nails with Lena. I think I did some nails with Lana before in the old DTI. I mean, that was when I was not recording. Oh my gosh. And guys, it's so sad about, you heard about Nurse Julie, something happened to her. So that's why she's like, oh my gosh, so scared. Tata, I can't talk. I can't talk. You're literally talking! For sure. Yeah, you can't talk for sure. Why didn't you get the flowers better? I never had a thing, guys. I hate that. Ooh, look how gorgeous Lisa's outfit is. I would like to rate. I mean, she didn't get the flowers, so like 3 stars, guys. And subscribe and like for more videos to watch. Next up is me. We're gonna do some poses with friends, baby. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. That one. That was so awkward, guys. Kata. Oh my, that doesn't look like first date. I mean, she didn't get any present for her dater. I'll get that 2 stars because she didn't get something for her dater. I don't even know. I'm way too young to date. Perfect. I don't want to date. I hate that. Okay, CC. No! No! Don't you dare. No, don't you dare troll that. Alex, you had a duo. Lila. Lies. 3 stars. 3 stars. That doesn't look like she didn't get something for her crush. Ahaha. You hate her. Girl, what does that look? No! For real. For real. I really like white, so please don't think it's a wedding. I mean, everybody dressed up white too, girly pop. See this girl dressed up white. I'm so excited to see the next round. Can you please give me the... I said that first. No, me. Gift. Me. Wait, no, I'm gonna do it clever. VIP. Oh my god. Give me VIP. Okay. Well, let's just delete our things. Guys, I feel so bad for Nurse Joy and Lana. I mean, I'm too young for the Lana quest. I really want to get Lana. I miss her. Lena is disgusting, guys. Like, bruh. Intermission. I wonder what's the next theme, guys. Guys, comment down below what you think it is. Prince or princess? Well, I liked this one, actually. Oh. Guys, I'm changing my face and I'm also... I guess I'm doing my nails. I'm gonna do, I don't know which princess should I do. Why can't I? Okay, perfect. I can do my nails. I hate Lena. I love Lana better. Okay, which hair should we get? And by the way, guys, they removed hairs. They removed Lana's hairs. I mean, they removed the hairs I love. Which is kind of sad, but I still got some few hairs here that I love. Okay, bro, which hair should we get? I'm gonna get some of the new ones, actually. And it's this one. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. we're gonna do something closely to black. Does that even show? No, I guess this one. That doesn't show. I guess this one. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's find a hair. I mean a face. Bro, can you get out from a face, girl? Okay, which face? Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I am obsessed with the nose. I also love faces without the nose. Sorry guys, I'm just sick from my nose. Girl, I can't not find a face. You know, I'm just getting this one. Oh, this one I already have it. I'm getting a different one. Yeah, that's nice. You know what? We're going to also get something from the codes. Sorry guys, I'm just sick from my nose. I don't know why. You know what? We're gonna do the dress red. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get this red. You know what? And we're also gonna color this black, I guess. That's not a problem. Wait, where's the bag I got? Here. Come on, load so I can color. Okay. You know what? It's not a problem with getting a doll or a teddy bear or boots. I don't know which boots to get. Oh my. You know what? It's not a problem if we get shoes, even though it doesn't show. So, I mean, it's not a problem if we get like something. It's not a problem if we get well, I think I'm gonna get a doll. She's gonna match with me. Okay, oh my. Is this her skin color? Okay. What is this? Okay, this is her blush. This is her dress, right? What is this? Oh, this is it. Okay, red. Oh, this is her hair. Black. Oh. Okay, guys. I like mine, by the way. I hate doing it. Look back on this memory from your chat with Mark. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see that in the end of the video. Well, I mean, I'm almost ending the video. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like. And share this video with your friends. And also comment for more videos like this DTI. But like different, like not coloring the items like that. That was so embarrassing, guys. I'm actually so embarrassed. Sweet spot. Prince or princess? I think the boys are just doing princesses. The boys are just babies. Except my dad and my uncles and my cousins, boys' cousins. I only have 2, I think. Forgot the crap. Girl! It's not a problem, okay? No Robux. How much money do you have in the game? I have 725. You know what? I'm gonna collect some more so I can buy some more poses. I'm gonna show you the poses. So there's Halloween. I'm gonna get the Halloween and the troll. And I'm gonna get the hand. Even I own the fairy pose pack and the tutorial pose pack. And oh my, crazy pose pack. That's all I own. I'm gonna get the pop creature pose pack and kawaii. Wait, guys. Whiskers. You can preview them, guys. Snuggle. Oh, and I'm gonna get the kawaii pose pack. Let's see the K-pop. I'm gonna get that too. That would be perfect for this. Wait, oh my gosh, look at this one. It's the appetite. I saw that short, Lana and Lena's family relationship together. Miss Judy, they were doing this dance actually. Appetite. See, this is a new song, guys. Like, this happened before. A lot. Queen. Wait, this would be perfect for this theme. And I'm getting the K-pop pose pack. And let's see the baddies. Baddies are like that to bacon, stinky bacon, but I think they're not. I'm getting the baddies pose pack. And this one. Yeah, I'm getting the mermaid pose pack too. I got 3rd place, really. You know what, guys? We're gonna join free play mode. So, no. Guys, make sure to subscribe and like. Okay, come on. Guys, just to let you know, there's a free play mode on it. On DTI. DTI. Guys, we don't need to dress up, but let's view the dances and then we're gonna end this video. Come on, Poe. Let's... Oh my god, the dances I said. Okay. Okay, so we didn't show you the dance post back. Sprinkler, worm, duckwa. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, I'm getting also the hand post pack. This is peace, shy, out there, heart jump, happy, shocked, finger heart, seek heart, sparkle. That's the thing. And I'm gonna show you the Halloween post pack. I'm also getting this doll. Headless. Talk to the hand. That's kind of creepy. Tall. Guys, look, be careful. You're gonna see I'm getting taller. Vampire, zombie, puppet possession. I mean, this is the most one I love. The most one I love is headless. Now, the last one I'm gonna get, mannequin. Yeah, this is me, mannequin. Hold up. Belly flop. Veins. Let's wait for it. Veins. Post 28, but worser. Oh my gosh! Ew, like I can't even handle it. Okay, that's it. I'm getting the Halloween troll, hand, dance, mermaid, baddie, K-pop, kawaii, and pop culture post pack. That's all I'm getting. Let's just collect some money for now. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like, and we will see you next time. Bye!